आसगावा एका विलाचे डील घेवन खंय व्हीएनआर इन्फ्रा LLP कंपनीन आदलो रणजी प्लेयर ललित चौधरीक संपर्क केलो। ताका 1845 चौखण मिटर सुवातीवेलो विला आणि वांगडा 807 चौखण मिटराचे गार्डन विकपाचे डील जाले। ललितान 2021 80% रक्कम म्हळ्यार सुमार 1,25,50,000 रुपया कंपनीक दिले। मात थारिल्ले प्रमाण गार्डनाचो मालकी हक्क कंपनीन ललिताक दिवंक ना। दिल्लीत तो प्रोडंटाकडे आपल्या आसगावच्या प्रकरणाविषयी उलयलो।
Actually, I have purchased a villa from YNR in 2020, and I have purchased. They have given me a 1845 square feet carpet area, but and 807 square feet garden area. But after 8 months, when I have get the ATS done, I have checked that the carpet area which they have told me at the time of booking form. The carpet area will be 1350, and the garden area they have given me the ownership at the time of booking, but when they have done ATS, instead of getting the ownership rights, I have received the exclusive rights, and I have mailed them number of times, but they have not listened anything. Like I have paid approx 1.25 crores. Now when I have declined to pay for the garden area, they have sent me the termination notice. Then I have approached the police, then police and court has directed to register an FIR against YNR on 15th Jan 2024.
Okay, so right now you have also approached RERA.
Yes.
What is your contention there?
This is the same contention.
ललितान दिल्ली कोर्ट गाठलो। ते उपरांत थंय पुलिशेंत कागाळ जाली। गोयच्या रेरा म्हळ्यार रियल इस्टेट रेग्युलेटरी ऑथॉरिटी कडेनूय ललिताची कागाळ। प्रुडंटान आरोपी कंपनी व्हीएनआराकूय संपर्क केलो, मात ताणें प्रतिक्रिया दिवपाक न्हयकार दिलो। प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार।